ateb, creating better living solutions for the communities of West Wales. We, as your landlord and the government, have your safety, security and well-being as our key priority. Every year, still too many people die and are seriously injured by poorly maintained gas appliances, electrical fires and other building defects. Work with us to help keep you safe and abide by the law. Help us to safely enter your home for essential safety checks and repairs. As your landlord, our top priority is to keep you safe. Here's how we can all reduce the coronavirus risk during essential safety work and quality control visits in your home. We will communicate with you beforehand and explain how we will work safely. Help us to address your concerns. We are here to help. We will call to check no one has symptoms or is self-isolating and to assure you that we are symptom-free. Please open the door and stand well back. We will make sure our tradesperson washes their hands before, during and after the job and uses their own hand towel to dry their hands. We would ask you to ventilate the work area as much as possible, for example opening a window half an hour before we arrive. And of course we would ask you to follow government guidelines for social distancing. We will make sure we wear suitable PPE, that's things like masks, gloves if required. We would ask you to stay in a separate room and there's no need to provide drinks for our workers. We will safely remove all wipes, plastic gloves, overalls and materials after our work and there's no need for you to sign anything. Our ateb documents will be emailed and sent in the post. By working together we can all stay alert and stay safe in our homes. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.
If you would like further information, then please visit our website www.atebgroup.co.uk.